मिस करते हो? देखिए बेटा, वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी. तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ वन बॉडी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू अनदर बॉडी is called relative velocity. For example, let us see, this is a reference frame on the plane surface xy, and in this direction A is moving. So this is the velocity vector of A, and B is moving in this direction. Velocity of B. This is the velocity vector of B, another body B. Now you see here, if beta A is the observer and if the passenger that is sitting inside the A just observing the motion of B, then he or she will look towards this side. So A is observing B. Both are in motion. Both have their velocity vector VA and the velocity vector is B. Both are in motion. Now, if both are in motion and A observe the motion of B, then we will depict this vector, represent this vector as velocity of B. Who is observing? A with respect to it. So VBA, this is known as velocity of B with respect to A. A is the observer. So that's why he is turning his face and observing the motion of B. Now you see it. According to triangular, if the one vector, second vector, head, tail, these two are taken same sequence. And this vector will be headed, collided, opposite sequence. The sum of these two, A plus B is equals to vector C. A plus B. We will take the same sequence of two vectors. But as here, according to triangular vectors, if three sides represent the triangles, if this three vector represent three sides of the triangle, where first two are taken in same sequence. What is same sequence? This is the tail, this is the head of the first vector. If from the head of the first vector, tail of the second vector coincides, then these two are taken as the same sequence. And this is the third vector whose head collides with the second vector. So this is in opposite sequence. The two vectors, these two are in same sequence, so their sum will be equals to third vector C. This is triangular vector addition. Now, if you are using this principle here, according to triangular vector addition, these two are in same sequence. We will write VA plus VBA will be equals to third vector, opposite sequence, head collide. This is an opposite VB. So beta, what we can write VBA as VBA is equals to VB. This will go this side, minus VA. So we can write VBA is equals to VB plus minus VA. Beta, see here. Beta, when we talk about the relative velocity of B with respect to A, then we take the resultant of two vectors VB plus minus VA. Now, how we can determine the resultant? Beta, can you name the law of triangle addition through which we determine the actual magnitude of the two vectors? Beta, it is triangular parallelogram law. Yes, anybody? But it is triangular or parallelogram law. Just tell me. It is parallelogram law, vector addition. Now see, this is the original direction of VB. Now, VB plus minus VA. Minus VA just reverse this direction. This is minus VA. Now, from B, you draw a parallel and B. Parallel to B, we have drawn a parallel, and from here we draw a parallel to VA. We draw a parallel to this. Now this between this VB and minus VA, this is the resultant diagonal, and this resultant diagonal will be the relative velocity of B with respect to A. But once again, see, बेटा क्या था इस डायग्राम में, आप देखिए, दिस इज वी ए एंड दिस इज वी बी। बेटा आपको निकालना था वी बी ए के पैरेलल में बी ए है कि नहीं बेटा, ये है, दिस वेक्टर इज द रिजल्टेंट वेलोसिटी ऑफ बी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ए। बेटा दोनों के बीच का एंगल क्या था, व्हाट इज द एंगल बिटवीन वी एंड वी बी, दिस इज थीटा, दिस इज थीटा। तो see here beta, according to triangular vector addition VA plus VBA is equals to VB. No, VBA is equals to VB. This goes this side, VB minus VA. This is known as triangular vector addition. But when we talk about the relative velocity of B with respect to A, then we take VB and this can be written as plus minus VA. So now see here, we will utilize parallelogram law of vector addition. Now let us see, this is vector V, this is VA. What is the direction of minus VA? Just opposite to this one, opposite, minus VA, same magnitude but opposite direction. Now here we have to take the resultant of these two. Which two vector? VB and minus VA. Resultant of these two, draw parallelogram. Parallel to this, draw another parallel. Parallel to this, draw another parallel. Now this is the diagonal, parallelogram form between VB and minus VA. This is the diagonal, and this diagonal is parallel to this one. This is what relative velocity of B with respect to A. Now, what is the magnitude of this VBA? Let's see. According to parallelogram law of vector addition, this is first vector. Magnitude of this vector plus magnitude of this vector. We will take only the magnitude, not the direction. We are determining only the mode, means modulus, magnitude, measurement. But this square plus this square, ऐसे भी बट क्या होगा, what minus का square plus हो जाता है. Now plus 2ab cos theta, 2ab. What is the angle? Cos. What is the angle? This is theta, so this angle is 180 minus theta. Angle between VB and minus VA is cos 180 minus theta. So here we will write cos 180 minus theta. What is the value of cos 180 minus theta? Beta, can anybody say? Cos 180 minus theta क्या होता है बेटा? Minus cos theta होता है. क्या होता है? Minus cos theta. So minus and we will put here, and the resultant relative velocity vector will be VA square plus VB square plus VA square plus 2 VA. No, cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Here minus sign, VA VB cos theta. This is the magnitude of relative velocity of V with respect to A. Let us see and solve some of the question. No, see here. But see here. One question is there. If rain is falling vertically downward with a speed of 4 meters per second, 4 meters per second, and a man riding on a bicycle is moving towards east with a velocity of 3 meters. Velocity of man is 3 meters per second. The rain is falling vertically downward, and when the rain is just falling vertically downward, a man riding on a bicycle is moving towards east. In which direction the man should hold the umbrella? In which direction? In which direction the man should hold the umbrella? The man should hold the umbrella. Hold the umbrella. But see here. Second, next question. With what velocity the rain will hit the man? With what velocity? With what velocity the rain will hit the man? The rain will hit the man. Now see, we will solve this. But see here, You have to determine velocity of rain with respect to man, because man is the observer, rain is not the observer, man is the. So you have to determine velocity of rain with respect to man. You have to determine what? Velocity of rain with respect to man. This can be written as how? Velocity of rain minus velocity of man. And this can be written as velocity of rain plus minus velocity of man. But this is man minus Vm. Just revert the direction. But opposite direction. Revert by 180 degree. This is the direction minus Vm. What is the magnitude? This is of 4 meter per second. This is of 3. Now how you can determine the resultant? This is angle theta. So now this angle is 180 minus theta. Here these two are perpendicular because falling vertically downward, and this is what? Eastward direction. So this is what? Westward. And you draw a parallelogram. Parallel to this, you draw a parallel line. Parallel to this, you draw another parallel line. Now the resultant of these two, VR and minus Vm, will be the diagonal. This is known as VRM. This is VRM. And this is the actual measurement of relative velocity of rain with respect to man. Now see here. What is this angle? This is angle 90. 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. So what is the magnitude of this VRM? Root under VR square plus Vm square minus 2 VR Vm. What is this angle? Cos 90, cos theta. Just, but we have just solved, derive this formula. According to that one, we are solving. What is this angle? 90 degree. Because this is vertically downward, this is eastward. Cos 90 is 0, so whole term will be 0. This is third rain is 4 square 16. 4 square plus this is 3 meter square. This is 6, this one will 0, 16 and 9, 25, 25 root 5. So the relative velocity of rain with respect to man will be 5. And now this angle. With what velocity the rain will hit the man? With 5 meter per second. With what velocity? 5 meter per second. In which direction? Let us see here. When the man is riding in this direction. For man, the rain appears to coming in this direction. So he will definitely hold his umbrella like this. And he will align his umbrella by making an angle theta with the vertical. What is this angle theta? You put here tan theta. Tan theta is equals to P. What is this? This is what? Vm. This is what? Magnitude here minus sign we will not put. Here minus sign we will not put here minus sign. Now here we are determining on the direction. P upon V. What is base? 4. This is what? Velocity of rain. So tan theta is equals to what is the velocity of man? 3, and this is 4. Well, you know the value of tan theta is 3 by 4. For which angle? 37 degree. Tan 37 degree. Tan 37 degree is equals to 3 by 4. But now you remember this one. Tan 37 degree is equal to 3 by 4, and just 90 minus theta 53. 90 minus 37, 50, tan 53. It will be, can anybody say tan 53 degree? It will be 4 by 3. Beta ये value क्या होगा? 4 by 3. It will be it. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. That's why this value will be reverted. Or you can write tan 37 degree. 37. 90 minus 37, 53. Tan 53 degree. Value will be reverted. 4 by 3. Now see here, what is the value of 3 by 4? This angle theta will be 37 degree. So here the man should hold the umbrella by making an angle 37 degree with the vertical and along this direction. If you are riding on a bicycle, let's see here. If you are increasing the speed, then what will happen? If you are increasing the speed, then corresponding to this length will also increase. Now draw a parallelogram like this. And in this case, the rain will hit with larger velocity. बेटा आपने देखा है रेन जब हो रही होती है और जोर से हम साइकिल चलाते हैं, बूंदे जोर से चोट लगती है फेस पे, और जब धीरे कर देते हैं थोड़ा कम जोर से लगती है. क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ द इंक्रीज इन दिस वेलोसिटी ऑफ दिस रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी ऑफ रेन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू मैन. Or beta, we have to hold the umbrella like this. Initially we are holding like 37 degree. Now we are increasing 45 degree. Now again if we will increase the speed, the angle of incline. Again if we are increasing the speed of the bicycle, then corresponding length will again increase in backward side. Now see here, the corresponding length of the diagonal will increase, and in here we have to hold this umbrella with for the greater angle. This angle. This may be 60 degree like this. So, but have you understood this one? Is that if it goes on increasing the speed of our bicycle, the relative velocity of rain goes on increasing, and it will hit our body, hit our face with a larger velocity, and it will give more pain over our face. So, now see here, beta. One problem is there. Two trains are moving in the same direction. This is first train. This is train A and this is train B. Both are moving in the same direction, train B. Separation between them is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. And length of the both the train is 300 meters. 300 meters. The speed of B is 30 meters per second, and the speed of B is 30, and this is 50 meters per second. Both are moving in the same direction. What is the time taken by this train A? What is the time taken by the train? What is the time taken by train A? Taken by train A to overtake train B. Train B. But when we talk about the relative velocity, if we are observing this situation with the relative velocity, then the problem will be very easier. If we are finding out the relative velocity of B with respect to A, because who is the observer? A have to overtake B. A have to overtake B. Who is the observer? A. So relative velocity of B with respect to A. We can write BB minus BA. See here, beta, no angle is there. Both are moving in the same direction. So no additional cos theta sin theta squaring is required, because our initial angle is theta. Initial angle is, what is the initial angle between the two vectors? 0 degree. So this is the formula, BB square plus BA square minus 2 BA BB. What is the initial angle? Cos 0 degree. What is the initial angle? But initial angle क्या है? 0 degree. What is the initial angle? 0 degree. So what is the value of cos 0? But cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. So BB square plus BA square minus 2 BA BB. Cos 0 1. 1 into something same. Now this we can written as BB plus BA का होल स्क्वायर, नो माइनस बी ए का होल स्क्वायर रूट अंडर. नाउ दिस equation will be, better tell me, square root cancel out, vb minus ba, vb minus ba. Now see here, but what is this magnitude? What is the velocity of b? 30. What is the velocity of b? Because here a wants to overtake, so here we will find out velocity of a with respect to b or b with respect to a. But see here, a को overtake करना है, a have to overtake b. So if we are finding out the velocity of b with respect to a, so in every 1 second, what is b? What is b? 30. What is b? Velocity of b with respect to a. It will be 30 minus a is 50. It is minus 20 meter per second. Now, what is the velocity of AB? Beta, BA, AB. Here minus 20. It will be plus 20 meter per second. Velocity of A with respect to B. Now here in this question, A have to overtake B. So we will find out velocity of A. Beta, see here. If direction of A is this like, right what? माइनस भी है, ऑपोजिट हो जाता बेटा. अगर किसी क्वांटिटी में माइनस लगा देंगे तो उसका डायरेक्शन ऑपोजिट हो जाता है. इसमें माइनस लगा दिए, ए भी हो जाएगा. माइनस लगाए, माइनस 20, बेटा क्या हो जाएगा? 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड. वेलोसिटी ऑफ ए विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू बी इज 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड. नाउ ए हैव टू ओवरटेक बी. बेटा जब भी हम रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी की बात करते हैं, दूसरे को रोक देते हैं. बेटा यहां किसे रोकेंगे? बी को. ऑब्जर्वर अपने आप को रुका हुआ मानेगा. बेटा हमें ये निकालना है. Who is the observer? B. So when we are opting the path of solving through relative velocity, the observer is kept at rest. But this is not at rest, but this is the application of relative velocity that we can easily kept the body, observer body at rest. Now, if this is there, what is the actual distance required to overtake train B by A? But see here, first this train will move this 1000 meter. Front bogie will reach here, like this train 1000 meter, it will reach there. Again 300 meter, both the bogie will just parallel to each other. And then again 300 meter, it will overtake. So 1000 plus 300 plus 300. बेटा ये इंजन है और ये लास्ट बोगी है. ये यहाँ गया 1000 मीटर, फिर इंजन इसके पैरेलल हो गया. बोथ आर 300, ये इसके पैरेलल हो गया. 1000 प्लस 300, 1300 प्लस ये आगे बढ़ गया 300. क्या हो गया बेटा? टोटल relative distance is 1600. This is relative velocity. So what is relative distance? Relative distance moved. Relative distance moved is equals to 1000 plus 300 plus 300. बेटा ये टोटल डिस्टेंस क्या हो गया? 1600. बेटा सी आप बार बार ध्यान रखिए, जब भी हम रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी की बात करते हैं ऑब्जर्वर को रोक देते हैं. बट ये ऐसा तो केस ही नहीं है, बट यही तो एप्लीकेशन है बेटा रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी का, कि ऑब्जर्वर को रोक दिया. अब रोकने के बाद देखिए समस्या आपकी बहुत इजी हो गई. ये 1000 मीटर मूव करेगा, इसका इंजन इसके लास्ट बोगी के पास पहुंचेगा, और फिर और 300 मूव करेगा तो दोनों की लेंथ तो सेम है, बिल्कुल पैरेलल है. इसके इंजन और इसका इंजन, इसका लास्ट बोगी इसके साथ, और फिर और 300 मूव करेगा तो इसको क्रॉस कर दिया. तो 1000 प्लस 300 ओवरटेकिंग कंप्लीट. So what is the total overtaking distance? 1000 plus 300, that is 1600 meter. And you know, velocity is equals to displacement upon time. So time is equals to displacement upon velocity. What is the total displacement 1600 meter. What is the relative velocity? This is the relative distance. बेटा ये कौन सा डिस्टेंस है? रिलेटिव डिस्टेंस, जब हमने इसे रोक दिया. और this is the relative velocity. What is relative velocity? Velocity of one body with respect to another when we are keeping the observer at rest. तो दोनों सेम कंडीशन हो गए. Relative velocity is 20. So what is the 0 cut? It is 80 second. Total time is 80 second. What is the total time of journey? 160 by 2 is 80 second. So time of overtaking is 80 second. But if I'm asking you, find the time of crossing, only this one, find the time of crossing. What is the time of crossing? Crossing कैसे होती है बेटा? When two trains are approaching from other side. बेटा crossing ऐसे होती है. ये स्टार्ट हो गए, दोनों के इंजन आमने सामने आ गए, दोनों के इंजन आमने सामने आ गए. देखो यार ये ट्रेन आ रही है ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन से, ये इंजन सामने. अब क्रॉसिंग स्टार्ट हो गई. ये इतना हुआ, दोनों के इंजन और लास्ट बोगी, इंजन और लास्ट बोगी. ये कंप्लीट हो गया क्रॉसिंग. अब ये क्रॉसिंग कंप्लीट हो गया. तो देखो बेटा, व्हाट इज टाइम ऑफ क्रॉसिंग इफ बोथ आर मूविंग इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन? टाइम ऑफ क्रॉसिंग. बेटा हियर क्वेश्चन इज ओनली फाइंड द टाइम ऑफ क्रॉसिंग. तब कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे बेटा? टाइम ऑफ क्रॉसिंग, दिस ट्रेन बी कमिंग फ्रॉम ऑपोजिट, ट्रेन ए कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड. बेटा ये अभी क्रॉसिंग में स्टार्ट हो गया. दिस इज ट्रेन ए, दिस इज ट्रेन बी. क्रॉसिंग तो स्टार्ट होगा तब, ये अभी तो आ रही है, अब स्टार्ट हो गया. तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ ए विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू बी क्या आएगा बेटा? 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड. नो, या बिल्कुल गलत. एक डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव ले लिया, ए की वेलोसिटी प्लस आ गई और बी ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन, बी की वेलोसिटी आ गई नेगेटिव. अब देखो बेटा, वेलोसिटी ऑफ ए विद रिस्पेक्ट टू बी निकालेंगे, वी ए माइनस वी बी. ये होता है रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी. वी ए माइनस इसकी वेलोसिटी ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में बेटा, इसकी वेलोसिटी किधर? ये इधर को जा रहा और इसके ऑपोजिट आ रहा है, तो यहां क्या लगाएंगे? माइनस वी बी. क्या लगाएंगे बेटा? माइनस वी बी. या आप उस फॉर्मूले में चले जाइए ना, मैंने आपको बोला था जो रूट अंडर वी ए स्क्वायर प्लस वी बी स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस 2 वी ए वी बी कॉस थीटा. बेटा ये इधर को जा रहा है, ये ऑपोजिट आ रहा है, एंगल क्या है? 180. तो क्या लिखेंगे? कॉस थीटा का जगह 180. कॉस 180 माइनस 1, तो यहाँ माइनस चलाएगा, ये प्लस हो जाएगा. क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस. तो यानी कि वी ए प्लस वी बी का होल स्क्वायर होगा और रूट, यानी कि वी ए प्लस वी बी हो जाएगा, वी ए प्लस वी बी. तो बेटा सी हियर relative velocity gets added when both are the two bodies are moving in opposite direction. बेटा आप ट्रेन से जा रहे होते हो, ऑपोजिट वाली ट्रेन कितनी तेजी से पास कर जाती है, क्योंकि रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी दोनों का ऐड हो जाता है और सेम डायरेक्शन में क्या हो जाता है बेटा? माइनस. अभी हमने सीखा. तो यहाँ पर आप इसको जाने के बजाय डायरेक्ट देखेंगे माइनस, इसका साइन इसके जस्ट ऑपोजिट, तो यहाँ माइनस साइन लगा देंगे बेटा. और ये क्या करेंगे? माइनस माइनस प्लस, ये प्लस वी बी. बेटा इसकी स्पीड क्या थी? 60 और इसकी स्पीड क्या थी? 40. 100 मीटर पर सेकेंड हो गई. तो टाइम ऑफ क्रॉसिंग क्या होगा बेटा? टाइम ऑफ क्रॉसिंग डिस्टेंस. बेटा इसे रोक दीजिए, रोक देना है, because we are you finding out, we have already funded what? Velocity of A with respect to B. Observer is at rest. Now see here, observer is at rest. Now see here, it moves. Now crossing start 300 meter. बेटा सी हियर, ये इधर से आया, अभी क्रॉसिंग स्टार्ट हो गया. ये 300 मीटर प्लस 300, क्रॉसिंग खत्म. टोटल डिस्टेंस ऑफ क्रॉसिंग